So the reason that I like doing DUI cases more than any other cases that I do is because it touches the 4th, 5th, and 6th Amendment of the Constitution every single case, every single time. I do a lot of cases involving 4th Amendment Fridays, which are the big Supreme Court cases. But the 4th Amendment talks about illegal search and seizure. It says no warrant shall issue except upon probable cause. And it draws a bright line in some very, very important places. Bright line at the house. It draws a bright line at your body, which means the police are not coming into your residence and they're not drawing your blood for a DUI unless they have a warrant or they have probable cause and exigent circumstances. That amendment is so important. Those requirements are so important. And as a criminal defense attorney, it is my honor and privilege to be able to defend the rights of citizens in Arizona who are accused of DUI, because I get to challenge the attempts of the police and the attempts of the state to try and bypass the protections of the 4th Amendment. The 5th Amendment is no different and no less important than the 4th. So the 5th Amendment is where you get the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney being with you during questioning if you so desire. The 5th Amendment, we often hear people say, I plead the 5th or I take the 5th. That comes from the 5th Amendment's provision that you'll not be required in any case to ever bear witness against yourself. You can never be called to testify against yourself. You don't have to talk to the police if you don't want to. I often tell my clients that if you're ever pulled over, the only words I want you to say to the police are, I want my lawyer now. Okay? There's a big difference between saying, I want to remain silent and I want an attorney. The 5th Amendment gives you the right to both. Now, the 6th Amendment gives you a bunch of different things. It gives you the right to counsel during your trial, but it also gives you the right to confront and cross-examine witnesses and challenge the evidence against you. You do not live in a country where the jury is going to accept the evidence that the state presents and you don't have an opportunity to come in and say, this is bogus. Or have an attorney come and stand beside you and say, let me tell you about my client and let me tell you why the state's got the entire story wrong. And that's why DUI cases are so important, and that's why I choose to defend citizens accused of driving under the influence in Arizona every single day.